Hey guys, showing you this 3-tier utility cart. It's a heavy duty 330 lbs capacity rolling service cart. So utility carts with the wheels and the bus cars, restaurant supplies or anything. So these are the all unboxing I'm doing and showing you the parts. These are the all content. It's all metal sides. So you can see it here. Is a PP material for the plastic. They are big heavy wheels for the cart, and this is a heavy thing that you can see. So the instruction manual that will describe how we can assemble this product. So assembly is also very straightforward. So just have the lower bracket, put all these things, and then one by one put the middle one and then the top one. So they are like the long rods and the small rods, so you can easily put in the baskets, and that's it. So basically it's a very nice design, and wheels also you have to take, and then you can just push it down with the force and it easily goes down. And the moving cart is also not a problem, it's very easy and smooth with these wheels. And the handle is also very nice. So you can see, like, I just put in random stuff on it, so that just to show. And it's really have a lot of storage space, and you can put in stuff here and easy to move as well. So very heavy duty cart with a good material.